And it is Tuesday evening, and I'm meteorologist Tom Kviga. Thanks for being with me and watching this little broadcast. We had a warm day today. I don't know if it was record. I don't have those numbers in yet. We'll get it at 6 p.m. When the airports kind of report their temperatures or max temperatures for the day. It's 80 right now out at AEX. We see some clouds. I call it a partly cloudy sky. The record for today was back in 1986 when we had 85 degrees. I don't think we got there here for today. Now, one thing about 86 that I remember, I came here at 84, and so it wasn't too long after I got here. We had a strong freeze, a damaging freeze in late March that year after that warm spell. All right, let's go over to Gina and see what's happening over in that direction in LaSalle Parish. We're warm over there as well, 82 degrees. We see a partly cloudy sky as well. A little sun getting through, maybe a little bit more cloudiness, high cloudiness over in that direction. And hello to all you folks around central Louisiana here for today. Looking at the weather map, at the surface, here's a cool front, which is going to make a difference for your Wednesday. Be ready for that front to come through, and you'll notice the temperature swing with that. Not a major cool down or anything like that, but it will, as warm as it's been, it is going to be significantly cooler than what we've seen lately. A lot of high and mid-level clouds and moisture kind of streaming up back out ahead of that system, and that front will come through during the first part of the day on Wednesday. So therefore, the front is strong enough, and it's going to be one of those days, call it a backwards day. Yep, so parish by parish, here it is, midnight temperatures. To give you an idea what kind of cool down here in the middle of the night, we will see upper 60s to around 70 degrees across the area. And then once we get into Tuesday, behind the front by 6 p.m., we will see temperatures generally dropping into the 50s area-wide, maybe a couple of lower 60s in some locations. But for the most part, I've got 50s on the map. So be ready for that temperature change. There will be some wind with it. Not a powerful wind or anything like that, but I'd say wouldn't be surprised to see 20 to 30 in gusts. So that's a pretty good wind. With these temperatures, you will notice the cool down. And Wednesday's rainfall pattern, I've got to put scattered rain chances in. I've checked some other forecasts. I'm not having any rain in the forecast for some of these areas. I've got to put about at least 30% in for our western parishes. Now, as you head eastward and southward, the moisture profile gets a little bit more favorable for rain. And so therefore, I've increased it to 40% here for the metro area, and south and east of Alexandria, Pineville, I'm going 50-50 on the rain chances. It's going to be one of those situations where the coverage here is scattered and the rainfall amounts will be light. Less than an inch. I was pretty general there. I could probably say less than a half inch, but there is a chance maybe of a thunderstorm in a place or two. And so, yeah, you could get a half inch, I guess, in that. Now, your futurecast, this is kind of tying in with the 7-day forecast. What we're seeing happening here is here's the next weather system. This is by Thursday. We see that dip in the jet stream right in here across the Rockies. You can see the change in the wind direction with that. And again, this represents a whole area where there's acceleration of air. Remember, those are the forces that change weather. So we've got a weather change brewing over in that direction. This is by Thursday, and that will create an increase in the rain chances, I'd say, as we go into the PM hours Thursday, and especially overnight Thursday and into Friday. And then once that passes through and gets itself out of here, we'll see the weather pattern change once again into Sunday, where we see lots of energy out west. You can see these real fast winds, and there's a little bit of energy across areas across Baja into Mexico and into Texas, kind of riding even into the mid-south here and portions of the lower Mississippi Valley. And so I think that is going to create another rain chance, another round of some showers and thunderstorms, kind of this unsettled pattern idea that we've got going for us. That would be into the Monday, Tuesday timeframe. By Wednesday, another little system may work through. So we'll probably see this unsettled pattern continue all the way into the day on Wednesday. And at the surface and aloft, what we call sensible weather. Here's the clouds ahead of the first system, and then here's the rain chance there by the Friday time frame. This is say early Friday morning, so that's that Thursday night, Friday morning deal that comes through the area. And then we see a kind of a break. According to the GFS model, some models aren't advertising a break quite this long, and I don't have it in my forecast, but my forecast does reflect a little bit of a break during that time frame. By Monday evening, rain, some thunderstorms active once again across the area with that next piece of energy, and we see kind of a final wave coming through maybe on Wednesday. So summing it all up for your 7-day forecast, we've got for Wednesday 55 and 70 a backwards day, falling temperatures. Remember that the front comes through and we'll be breezy with that, and there's your scattered rain chance. I did keep a 30% Thursday just in case, mainly in the PM hours. It'll be a cool day, 40 and 57 for your temperatures, and 40 leaves some room for some upper 30s, so there will be some chill in the air. We'll start warming up on Friday as temperatures continue to get closer to seasonal benchmarks there on Friday, but rain and some thunderstorms likely. And then Saturday and Sunday, I've got 30% each day just in case. We'll see a warming trend, pretty decent warming trend coming into the forecast there, and that sets us up for a next high rain chance in the Monday, Tuesday time frame. Thunderstorms mixing in there, and you'll see a little bit of a cool down by Tuesday. If we have any severe weather potential here, I'm looking at that Monday, Tuesday thing for any severe potential. I don't have it explicitly on the 7-day forecast, but Nick and I are watching that time period. And Nick will be with you in the morning, and I'll see you again tomorrow afternoon or evening. Thanks for being with us and supporting us.